Welcome to Nining Mandarin Chinese Short Story Listening. 圣诞快乐 Merry Christmas. Firstly, let's preview key vocabularies. 圣诞节 Christmas Festival. 圣诞节圣诞快乐 Merry Christmas. 圣诞快乐平安夜 Christmas Eve. 平安夜假期 Holiday. 假期期待 To look forward. 期待圣诞树 Christmas tree. 圣诞树圣诞晚餐 Christmas dinner. 圣诞晚餐火鸡 Turkey. 火鸡烤土豆 Roast potato. 烤土豆甜点 Dessert. 甜点 Listening question. 大家最期待什么 What is everyone most looking forward to? Chinese story for listening practice at slow speed. You can turn on captions for English or adjust the speed in the setting. May you enjoy and subscribe to my channel to learn Chinese through stories with me. 每年12月25日是圣诞节。圣诞节是上帝之子耶稣的生日，这是一个神圣的日子，也是一个快乐的节日。孩子们最期待圣诞老人，成人们最期待假期。就像小江，每年圣诞节它会有3天假期。在平安夜，小江和太太一起包礼物。第2天，他们带上礼物出发，开车到了小江的父母家。很快，小江的兄弟姐妹也到了。他们在客厅一边喝咖啡，一边聊天。圣诞树下堆满了礼物，有人开了圣诞音乐，大家开始拆礼物。小江收到了一个平底锅，一件衬衫和几本小说。圣诞晚餐是大家最期待的。桌子上有红酒、白酒和果汁，也有烤火鸡、烤土豆和约克郡布丁等等。大家一边喝酒，一边吃饭。之后，妈妈端来了甜点，有水果蛋糕，也有苹果 饼。大家吃得很开心。小江说：“圣诞快乐。”
Now let's further practice your Chinese listening skills by listening to the story in normal speed. Just try to catch the general meaning, no need to catch every word.
每年12月25日是圣诞节。圣诞节是上帝之子耶稣的生日。这是一个神圣的日子，也是一个快乐的节日。孩子们最期待圣诞老人，成人们最期待假期。就像小江，每年圣诞节他都有3天假期。在平安夜，小江和太太一起包礼物。第2天，他们带上礼物出发。开车到了小江的父母家。很快，小江的兄弟姐妹也到了。他们在客厅一边喝咖啡，一边聊天。圣诞树下堆满了礼物，有人开了圣诞音乐，大家开始拆礼物。小江收到了一个平底锅、一件蓝衬衫和几本小说。圣诞晚餐是大家最期待的。桌子上有红酒、白酒和果汁，也有烤火鸡、烤土豆、约克郡布丁等等。大家一边喝酒，一边吃饭。之后，妈妈端来了甜点，有水果蛋糕，也有苹果饼。大家吃得很开心。小江说：“圣诞快乐。”
To access lesson PDF, including vocabulary, Chinese story with Pinyin and English, Chinese only version plus audio and extra benefits, please consider to support me by Patreon.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.